everybody, how's it going? And nice to meet you. And today we're gonna head to like one of the weird cafe in Osaka and start from this main station named the number station. We're gonna go downstairs or like using this escalator or elevator or travelator or anyways, and we're gonna reach at this huge area. Okay, there's tons of person outside, but we don't even care. And yeah, turn right this corner and we're gonna cross the crossing and turn right again. Just go straight again. In Osaka way says we just go straight, yeah. This Rockstar Cafe is just located very near to the number station and turn right at this corner and just go straight again, and you can see that this reptile head outside and Rockstar Cafe is here, which is this inside. I went there with friends of mine, two of them, who's from Kansai, who's from like Vietnamese. Yeah, they are very happy to see it. Yes, and they are relaxing, you know. And this stuff I try to like explain and like, what the hell is this stuff? Damn, how it looks like, guys. I tried one of big one, man. So many salts. You too. Aburaga.
Ăn bùi bùi, ngon ngon ngậy ngậy. Lúc nãy ăn con khác, giờ ăn con này nè.
After finishing all of them, we try to like head to another stores to like all of this to remove the bad taste, which is very awesome taste. For right talking.